welcome back to my channel as promised. Ooh, the little bin is sticking out. It's kind of bothering me. Anyway, as promised, I am coming at you with packing vlogs and videos and things like that. So this will be part 1. I am moving in 9 days, I think. So I'll bring you along with how I pack and some tips and tricks to make packing easy, quick, and cost effective. I've moved like 14 times in my life, so by now one would think I should be a pro at packing. And all the times that I've moved by myself with the help of my friends and my family, which is gonna happen again, because why pay someone when you can just do it yourself? So some things that I did first. This background is like low-key annoying me, so let me fix it. Okay, I guess that's a little better. But I like to move in a very organized fashion, because usually 9 times out of 10 when I did move, I did not have like a week or 3 days to unpack my life and get organized and all that good stuff. So I had to strategically pack my things so I knew, 1, where everything was, and 2, when I would settle into my new home or my new place, it was easier for me to unpack. So got my tea here. Let's get into some tips. Tip number 1, of course, find out where you're moving. And then when you do that, you want to book your truck right away. If you're moving by yourself, if you don't have a large truck on hand, which 9 times out of 10 a lot of people don't have, you want to make sure you're booking that truck. So I always use U-Haul. U-Haul has never given me any problems or anything like that. But if you're moving in the beginning of the month or the end of the month, you want to book your truck as soon as possible, because those trucks, they disappear quite quickly, and you might not get the truck that you need on the day that you need, or the time that you need. So always book in advance. I've already booked my van to move. I don't have a lot to move, so that's why I opted for the 9-foot cargo van. Then 2, you want to assemble your team. So a team is going to be my family and my friend, so they're going to help me move, and that's all organized. They know when they need to be here. Be on time, please. And what we're gonna move and things like that. Because 2 of the people that are helping me move are my mom and my grandma. They're not old, but they're older. So you wanna, and for me as well, I'm not trying to lift a lot of boxes with, excuse me, a lot of stuff in there. So I opted to purchase space bags. Now, what I love about space bags is that you can utilize them, 1, while you're moving. They're great for when you're for when seasons change from fall to winter to summer to spring, when you want to pack up clothes, if you're tight on space. Especially if you live in NYC area, you are always going to be tight on space, so space bags are key for that. And I'll show you the brand that I always purchase off of Amazon, because the brand Space Bags is rather expensive sometimes for like the quantity they give you. So I found another brand that is just as amazing and works just as well as the original brand, and you get more bang for your buck. So the brand that I always purchase from, I've already opened up the box because I kind of started packing, and then I was like, oh wait, you should film this. So it's called High Bag. Yeah. I'm going to show you the box. It looks like this. And what I like about this particular box, it's a 20 combo pack, and they include the free pump if you don't have a vacuum cleaner, because it's 2020, a lot of people don't have that, me being one of them. So you can pump them where it sucks the air out of it, which is nice. It comes with 5 jumbo, which is nice, 5 large, 6 medium, 2 small, 2 travel. It comes with the touch zipper. It's just amazing. Like, it saves on so much space. These are what the bags come in. Sorry. This is what the bags come in. So you'll see it says the large flat 5-piece vacuum storage bags, and you get 5 of them. But when you take them out of that bag, they look like this. Now I can show you an example of what it looks like when you actually vacuum seal it. This is what it looks like vacuum sealed in here. This is all my pants and all my skirts, and I have probably at least 30 pair in total in here. See how thin it is? Grab it, go, put it in the truck. Very easy, not heavy at all. And I like that, I like to move with these bags because I can organize within the bag, like I said. So I know this is my skirts and pants space bag. Then I'll have my loungewear space bag, and then my undergarment space bag, and all that good stuff. So you're gonna see me working on double time, and let's get into the packing. My main goal is to clear out those closet shelves, and then these storage cubes that has clothes on it, pack those up. Okay, so far I'll insert a clip of what used to be on the shelf, but the shelf is completely empty. Now, as far as hanging clothes, I'm just gonna put a belt around them and put a trash bag on them because that's easier to transport when you're moving. And then the top shelf, we're gonna tackle that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, that's the end of part 1 of my packing vlogs. As you can see, this is all my space bags. Not too shabby. I was able to empty out my 6-cube storage and my closet, and this is only 8 space bags. Now remember, that pack was a pack of 20, so I have plenty to continue to use. But you see how like resourceful and nice this is? Reusable. Don't have to find cardboard, don't have to lift boxes. Very, very efficient. So stay tuned for the next packing vlog, and that's where I'm going to be really deconstructing this room and packing up my dresser. So see you then. Bye.